This is a workflow management tool built using Vue.js for frontend, PHP for backend, and MySQL database. This is the login page. If you don't have an account, you can register by clicking here. Existing users can log in by entering their email IDs and password. Click on Login. This is my dashboard. It displays my number of clients, projects, and tasks, as well as lists my ongoing projects. As you can see, I have one ongoing project called Accounting Software. On the sidebar, click on Clients. It shows the list of my clients and their details and the projects associated with them. To create a new client, click here and enter the details. Click on Save. The client gets added. To start a new project with a client, click here. Add an appropriate name. Click on Save. Go to HUD. The new project is listed here. Let's take a look at the ongoing project. This is the page of Accounting Software project. This is the name and the description of the project. By clicking here, you can edit the project details such as name, related URLs, or description. For example, click on Update. The description gets updated accordingly. This is the progress bar. It shows the progress of the project based on the weights of the completed tasks. These are the various tasks associated with the project. They are put under 3 columns based on their status: in progress, testing, and completed. To create a new task, click here. Write a name. Assign a weight to the task. Select its priority. Select its state. Write a short description. Click on Save. The task is added in the appropriate column. To change the status of a task, click on the task. Select the state from the drop-down. Click on Update. The task shifts to its new column. The progress bar gets updated accordingly. The next tab is Backlogs. This displays the backlogs related to the project. To add a backlog, click on New Task. Write the name. Select the status, backlog, and save. The task gets added into the backlog section. The next tab is Credentials. To share important credentials with your team members, such as APIs, etc., you can write them here and save. For example, so it has been added to the list. The next tab is Members. This displays the team members of the project. To add new members, enter their email IDs in the box given. As you can see, this is not a registered user. This is all about a project. Let's go to the Settings tab. This shows the details of my account. This is where the personal info of the user can be updated. The changes made are immediately reflected here. The next tab is links. You can add the links to your website, LinkedIn profile, or social media handles. For example, I add Twitter username. It shows up in the description. Next tab is account settings. Here you can change your password or delete the account permanently. Finally, you can log out by clicking on this button. This is a